If you're jiggling your toilet handle to make the water stop running, or having to hold it down to fully flush, you may need a new handle. Before starting the project, choose a replacement handle compatible with your toilet. To begin, find the water shutoff valve behind the toilet and turn off the water. Then flush the toilet to empty the tank. Some of the parts you'll need to access are inside the tank. Carefully lift the lid off the tank and set it aside. Next, unhook the lift chain from the flush rod. Once the flush rod is free from the lift chain, loosen and remove the handle nut with a crescent wrench, then take off the handle. On your new toilet handle, unscrew the nut, then insert the new handle where the old one was. Screw the nut back on, first by hand, and then with the wrench. Finally, reconnect the lift chain to the flush rod. Be sure it's not too loose or too tight, so that everything will function properly. Carefully put the tank lid back in place. In just a few easy steps, your toilet has a brand new handle that functions properly.